Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel where I talk about many different ways to make money online. Don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss any new opportunities. In today's video, I will go through a mobile app called Givvy to make money playing games, answering surveys, and more. I will also quickly play the 3 games they offer, show you how much money you can expect to earn, and to end the video, I will withdraw cash as I have enough money to request a payment. I will put my referral link in the description where you get 130 points when signing up. I am currently on the homepage of Givvy where you can join entries, aka a sort of lottery where you can earn between 25 cents to 50 euros. 1 euro is worth $1.22 as of January 2021. To join entries, you need to spend between 10 to 60 coins. There is either a limited number of participants that can join entries or a time limit like this one at the very bottom where you can earn 1 euro and 50 cents. In theory, it should be easier to earn coins joining the ones with the lowest amounts, like the 25 cents there, where only 900 entries are available before they announce the winner. To join an entry, simply click on Join, select the number of entries, and then click Done. As you can see on the top right corner, I have 657 coins and 39 cents. 130 coins is worth 1 cent, and I will show you how to convert them for cash in a minute. To earn coins, let's go to the second tab. So here is where you can earn coins by completing surveys, inviting friends, playing games like Memory, Tic-Tac-Toe and Calculate, or complete tasks. What's interesting in this tab is also the tap to get chest that will show up at least once a day where you just tap like this, and in 1 hour I will be able to collect the points. Then just come back to this tab and collect your points. Here I have just earned 4 points. There is another one here, but I won't be able to open it yet because I just activated another chest. The third tab is to convert your Givvy coins to euros or withdraw cash. As I said earlier, I currently have 39 cents and I will now convert 130 coins. I can convert up to 650 coins or 5 cents, but I will only convert 130. And now, as you can see on the top right corner, I have 40 cents. In the last tab, you can earn a bonus of up to 4,000 coins if you reach the highest amount of coins for a whole week, or 500 coins for the daily competition. This is really hard to reach that goal because there are many users worldwide on this app. Back to the second tab, I will now play the memory game. This one is quite simple and you can earn 3 coins every time you win. You will often see this pop up to double your coins by watching a short ad. I usually just ignore it. Now I will play Tic-Tac-Toe. It's quite easy to win or at least end in a draw, like what just happened now. So I've earned 1 coin. And the last one is Calculate. This one can be sometimes a bit tough, so let's see if I'm lucky. And as you can see, I was, so I've earned 4 coins. Once you've completed all your daily lives, new ones appear every hour. As you might have guessed by now, you won't be earning much money with this app, but if you like those games, you can earn a few hundred coins every week. I am now back in the third tab to withdraw money, and I can choose either Revolut or PayPal. The minimum withdrawal amount is very low with this app. It's only 9 cents with Revolut and 26 cents with PayPal. I will choose PayPal, enter my email address, and hit withdraw. Make sure you enter your email address associated with your PayPal account correctly because you won't be able to change it. Let's now go to my PayPal account to see if I have received the money. As you can see, that was an instant transfer. I got my 40 cents. So to sum up, this app will not make you rich at all, but it's great to receive a tiny bit of money just for playing games on your phone. You don't even need to watch ads. Whenever there is a pop-up to watch a video to double your coins, you can just ignore it and continue playing. Anyways, that's it for today. Thank you guys for watching and see you soon for another video.